Mau lancar ngomong bahasa Inggris dari aktivitas sehari-hari di rumah? Yuk latihan bareng. 1. Saya bangun pagi setiap hari. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. 2. Saya merapikan tempat tidur setelah bangun. I make my bed after waking up. I make my bed after waking up. 3. Saya menyapu lantai rumah. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. 4. Saya mengepel lantai agar bersih. I mop the floor to keep it clean. I mop the floor to keep it clean. 5. Saya mencuci piring setelah makan. I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating. 6. Saya memasak sarapan untuk keluarga. I cook breakfast for my family. I cook breakfast for my family. 7. Saya menyeduh kopi di pagi hari. I make coffee in the morning. I make coffee in the morning. 8. Saya mencuci pakaian di rumah. I wash clothes at home. I wash clothes at home. 9. Saya menjemur pakaian di luar. I hang the clothes outside. I hang the clothes outside. 10. Saya melipat pakaian yang sudah kering. I fold the dry clothes. I fold the dry clothes. 11. Saya membersihkan kamar tidur. I clean my bedroom. I clean my bedroom. 12. Saya menyiram tanaman setiap sore. I water the plants every afternoon. I water the plants every afternoon. 13. Saya memberi makan hewan peliharaan. I feed my pet. I feed my pet. 14. Saya menonton TV di ruang keluarga. I watch TV in the living room. I watch TV in the living room. 15. Saya membaca buku di waktu luang. I read a book in my free time. I read a book in my free time. 16. Saya bermain game di rumah. I play games at home. I play games at home. 17. Saya membantu ibu di dapur. I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my mother in the kitchen. 18. Saya membersihkan meja makan. I clean the dining table. I clean the dining table. 19. Saya membuka jendela di pagi hari. I open the windows in the morning. I open the windows in the morning. 20. Saya menutup pintu sebelum tidur. I close the door before sleeping. I close the door before sleeping. 21. Saya mandi 2 kali sehari. I take a shower twice a day. I take a shower twice a day. 22. Saya menyikat gigi setiap pagi dan malam. I brush my teeth every morning and night. I brush my teeth every morning and night. 23. Saya bekerja dari rumah. I work from home. I work from home. 24. Saya belajar bahasa Inggris di rumah. I study English at home. I study English at home. 25. Saya mendengarkan musik saat santai. I listen to music when relaxing. I listen to music when relaxing. 26. Saya tidur siang di akhir pekan. I take a nap on weekends. I take a nap on weekends. 27. Saya membersihkan kamar mandi. I clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom. 28. Saya menyiapkan makan malam. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner. 29. Saya berbicara dengan keluarga di rumah. I talk with my family at home. I talk with my family at home. 30. Saya tidur lebih awal di malam hari. I go to bed early at night. I go to bed early at night. Mau lebih banyak latihan seperti ini? Subscribe sekarang dan praktikkan setiap hari biar English kamu makin lancar.
Halo teman-teman, welcome to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris. Di sini, learning English is fun, simple, and for everyone. Yuk belajar bareng supaya makin percaya diri ngomong bahasa Inggris. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Let's get started!